Welcome to Cucina with Daniela. Today we're gonna make pasta, gorgonzola, cacio and pere. Will be delicious. Put some passion and follow me. Let's go. First things, we're gonna cut our pear in two and we put it here. Some garlic, pepper, salt, olive oil, and now straight to the oven. Our pear coming out of the oven like that, it must be really juicy. Add the gorgonzola, add a little bit of water, extra pepper, and we mix it. Okay, salt. Add the pasta in the pan. In this case I use some fresh pasta. It's 4 minutes cooking time. Put the pasta inside, nice and creamy. So our pasta, cacio, pere, gorgonzola is ready to be tasted. Deliziosa. Please sharing and caring with your friends. Follow my channel. All the ingredients and the process below my recipe. I wish you a good day and see you soon from Daniela. Ciao!